Hello everyone, so here's an update to my watermelon. It's now coming out. This is the female. The way you identify the female, you could see the small watermelon, and they got the flower there. And I've just plucked a male version. The male version doesn't have no fruit. That's the male flower. And what I've done, what I did earlier, is just to show you how I hand pollinate. And basically what you just do is, let's bring this closer, you just dap this mayflower. Hope you can see it. And you just dap it into the female, this bit. That's how you hand pollinate. It just pollinates. So the male goes on top of the female, and hopefully soon you should see this female fruit start getting bigger. And that's the quick video on the hand pollination for my watermelon. So this is watermelon. I've got some in the container as well. So here you go. Enjoy. Have a blessed day. Bye.